Hi, I'm here at Dorset Church and Earthworks. Originally, it was 2,500 years ago. There was a Neolithic platform built with an internal ditch and a bank, as you can see on the far side there. And I think it was some ceremonial site. And then the Normans built a church here.